Alright guys, today let's use Warren Buffett's mentor Benjamin Graham's stock picking method to look at the China electric appliance giant Midea. The first criterion is adequate size. Midea's market value is 580 billion Chinese yuan, ranked number 1 in electric appliances industry. Its annual revenue is 400 billion Chinese yuan. The size is pretty big. Number 2 is strong financials. Midea's current ratio is at 1.1, not meeting the greater than 2 requirement. If we take a closer look at its financial report, we can see that this is because Midea is carrying a large number of current liability, but the majority of its current liabilities are either no interest or low interest items like sales rebate. The company's overall financial expense is also negative, meaning that its interest income is more than its interest expense. So currently it looks like the debts do not seem burdensome to Midea. Number 3 is earning stability. Midea has stayed profitable for 22 consecutive years. This one is a pass. Number 4 is dividend record. Midea paid out dividends for 11 consecutive years, also passed the requirement. Number 5 is earnings growth. In the past 10 years, Midea's earnings grew by 128%, exceeding the required 33%. Number 6 is moderate price to earning. Midea's past 3 average price to earning is 19.3, a bit over the less than 15 requirement. Number 7 is moderate price to assets. Midea's current price to book value is 2.5, also not meeting the requirement. So we can see that Midea is not meeting the strong financial condition, moderate price to earnings, and the moderate price to assets requirements. As we discussed earlier, we shouldn't need to worry too much about its financial condition so far. Okay, let's look at its intrinsic value. The way I calculate intrinsic value is by adding up a company's liquidation value and the next 10 years total dividend. If we assume Midea's growth rate is at 10% per year, then the intrinsic value is at 42 yuan per share. If it grows by 5% per year, then the intrinsic value is 30 yuan per share. If it has no growth, then the intrinsic value is 21 yuan per share. If it declines, then the intrinsic value is 13 yuan per share. Midea has a super long track record of both revenue and earnings growth. However, the electric appliances industry is quite competitive. Players like Gree, Hair, and Xiaomi are all pretty strong competitors to watch out for. Overall, I estimate Midea can achieve 5 to 10% annual growth rate. Its intrinsic value is around 40 yuan per share. I hope you like this analysis. What do you think about Midea? Let's discuss in the comments. Stay tuned.